Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kat ba kajing pentrai na kabenta bantai thamai no ya ka yeng shong darbar thawan jong kani kejela kadang ya chashat ya ka bala bo thong ro ban pendap no shua ban kot usnam arajar arpoi haka khandai terek muntau nailur arajar arpo ulampang ka yeng darbar thawan kani kejela uba medba lengdo ringkat menteri sarkar jong kani kejela uba hamlat sendok leng bat ki officer sarkar kilalet jurep ya kani kejing trai halmau deng diang hadin kejing jurep ya kani kejing trai kini ki he sarkar kila penpau kejing sohon ban yoi ba kejing trai kila dap Prapau na kasispa, bat kikirmen ba ansala ban pendap no pura, haswa ban kon usnam arajar arpuai kumbalabo ya kathong nadu basdang bantai ya kini kiyeng dorbar jong kejela.
Happy to inform all of you that today we had the detailed review meeting on the inspection of the progress of work of the new assembly building at Mount Indian. And for your information, we would like to inform that almost 50% of the works will be completed. That's only the civil work I'm talking about, and which we are looking at maybe by end of October, more or less or first part of November, the balance work will be completed. In addition to that also, we have, there are a lot of other things also which the contractor has to complete, like the electrical, water supply and other works also. And we intend to complete the construction of the building by December 2021, that means next year. And today we had called all the stakeholders who are a part of this project. The consultant from Delhi, the design associates, also represent at the site. We had called also the officers and representatives from different line departments, especially from PUD building, the security from the police department, and from the mechanical line also, the PUD department, and other line departments also, like from MUDA as well. So, well, so a team from finance also were there, finance and planning were also there, where also they play a very important role with regards to the funding. And today we had, we were joined by the Honorable Minister of Urban, Hamlet Dolly, and the Chief Secretary, Mr. Rao, where we have discussed in details about the progress of the work. That is all which I can tell you right now. So I think you are aware about the total project cost, which is about 141 crores, and the tender value is 127.76 crores. Civil works is basically the structure, but in addition to that, like as I've said, the what do you call the interior works, external developments of plumbing works, firefighting works, electrical works, lifts, and the heating and cooling system of the entire building. Today we had specifically called the finance team and the planning team. You were there, and over and above that I had number of reviews with the Chief Minister, and he has assured that as far as funding is concerned with regards to this new assembly building will not be a problem at all. So he has assured that fully, and I'm confident that there won't be any problem and it will be done. Well, that is not basically change in terms of the drawings or the original plans. It's basically the additional work that they have to take up at the initial stage when they have started the foundation work. Because the place where the construction is taking place is basically a valley type kind of place where we have to go almost 25 meters down from the ground level. So for that reasons, the additional work has to be taken up, and that is basically the major changes. The construction, in fact, the contractor has really suffered a lot with regards to the laborers, and we have discussed that at length. As of now, the laborers, as far as the version from the contractor is okay, but they need more skilled people to come in, like from outside. So we have worked it out today, and that will be taken care of, which I have spoken to the political department, and they will assist him with regards to the permission and how they will come in and what sort of quarantine because of this pandemic. In fact, when I compare to the difference from the last inspection that I have done in the month of June, 23rd of June, I think. Now it's first week of September. The progress of work is really fantastic, and which I could see the seriousness of the contractor that, and to see that how they complete the work on time. This is very challenging. In fact, they have not come to us with excuses. In fact, they have come up with a solution. I should say it that way, because the progress of work is really very good. Cafeteria will be having the lounge, and we'll be having the open kind of hall where we can assemble, and in case of any high dignitaries comes from outside the state, or the Honorable Governor comes for to address the session and so on. We have already prepared the concept paper for the entire assembly office, like right from the quarters, for the speaker's quarter, the chief LO, and others also like staff and everything. So that will be the second phase most likely. But now the first phase is we would like to complete the assembly building first. That is the first.